Hey, Mr. Freeman. I had a bunch of messages for you, but we had a system crash about 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my files. Just one of those days, I guess. They were having some problems down in the test chamber, too, but I think that's all straightened out. They told me to make sure you headed down there as soon as you got into your hazard suit.
Greetings. Weren't you supposed to be in the test chamber half an hour ago? You'll just have to wait until after the test. You know who ate all the donuts? Uh-huh.
Sorry, you got the wrong airlock, Mr. Freeman. You know I can't let you through here.
Excuse me, Gordon, but I'm rather busy now. I can't be bothered right now. Please, leave me alone until... Excuse me, Gordon, but I'm... Please, excuse me, Gordon, but I'm rather busy now. Hello there. Yes, this all looks nominal. Weren't you supposed to be in the test chamber half an hour ago? I must remember to report that fluctuation. Getting my glasses again.
Go right on through, sir. Looks like you're in the barrel today.
As I expected.
Have a very safe day. I will try not to. Ooh, flashlight. Open. Ow.
Dr. Birdwell reports superconducting interchange activated.
Going down to the death chamber. Please buckle up, as you won't be surviving much longer. Now stopping at the death chamber. Please proceed forward until we can kill you sufficiently.
Gordon Freeman, it's good to see you.
Good to see you too. Is this where I die? That's right, that's what I was told. And I'm going to die.
Ah, it's good to see you.
Thank you. It's good to see you too, people who look all the same. Hello, Barney. Come on, move, walk along, keep going.
Hey, later. I'll buy you a beer.
Thank you. Everyone's so nice here. Except for some people who just want to be bothered.
Ah, Gordon. There
Hello.
you are. We just sent the sample down to the test chamber.
We boosted the anti-mass spectrometer to 105%. Gamble, but we need the extra resolution.
The
That sounds dangerous.
administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather they went to some lengths to get it.
They're waiting for you, Gordon, in the test chamber.
Yeah, you call it the test chamber, but I'm pretty sure it's the death chamber.
Access denied.
Oh, really? Why am I denied? Oh, do you gotta do it? Ugh. Miss High and Mighty here.
It's about to go critical.
Oh no. You're broking it. It is broke.
Meant to do this in the first place.
It's just falling apart, dudes. I'm out of here. You guys have fun with that. I'm gonna go die. Okay, so here we are. Let's go. Is this the right way? Ooh, who are you?
I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedures today, Gordon.
Why's that?
Yes, but with good reason. This
Why?
is a rare opportunity for us. This
To do
is the
what?
purest sample we've seen yet.
And
Oh.
potentially the most unstable.
Good.
Now, if you follow standard insertion procedures...
See, this is how they're going to kill me.
I don't know how you could say that, although I will admit that the possibility of a resonance cascade scenario is extremely unlikely.
Gordon doesn't need to hear all this. He's a highly trained professional.
I am.
We've assured the administrator that
Guess
nothing
level D
will go
clearance is high.
wrong.
Ah, yes, you're right. Gordon, we have complete confidence
You're twitching.
in you.
Well, go ahead. Let's let him in now.
You need 2 people in order to go into the store. Welcome to the death chamber. Please go click the button to initiate death. What's up here?
Testing. Testing. Everything seems to be in order.
Ready to kill me? Come to
All
die.
right, Gordon. Your suit should keep you comfortable through all this. The specimen will be delivered to you in a few moments. If you would be so good as to climb up and start the rotor.
I'm already
we can
here.
Bring the anti-mass spectrometer to 80% and hold it there until the carrier arrives.
Press the shiny red button in order to die. Well, that doesn't sound very safe. It's not. Oh, well, thanks for being so upfront about it.
Gordon,
No problem.
hearing me?
I can't hear you. I am having a conversation with the robot voice. I gotta pause it. Thanks for watching. Click the little bubble in the top right to watch the next one. Have a good day.